This is the situation at Stratford this morning, Boxing Day. So quiet. Usually this place is crowded, and you see people trooping into the various shops for bagging. But today it's a different situation altogether. When you look around, there are just a handful of people. The station is quiet. I believe that this has to do with the strike, the real strike, and then also the economic situation. Most people are cash strapped and they have less to spend. This is the famous Stratford Centre, the old shopping centre, and that is Westfields Shopping Centre. In a brief moment, I'm going to go to the Westfields Shopping Centre so that we can assess the situation and see how people are still shopping in the midst of this economic crisis. That's the situation. You can see the intercity trains are not on their platform. We only got the underground running, that's the central line, and that's the overground part. Usually this bridge is full with people and with shoppers. Today is completely empty. That's the Olympic Stadium at the background. The tracks are empty, the trains are not running. That's the famous Westfields Shopping Centre. Usually this place is crowded, but today is completely empty. Alright, we'll try and go inside and do a little videos for you to see what's the situation like with shoppers inside.